Good morning everyone. In this video now we are going to discuss chapter 14 exercise 14.4 question number 1. So just first of all read out the question number 1. It says you have to draw any line segment AB. So first of all let's draw any line segment AB. Any means no length is given here and we have to draw here. So I am going to draw any line segment AB. So we have to give it name AB. Then what is asked next in the question? It is asked to take any point M on the line segment AB. So I have taken the point M here on this line segment AB, right? Now next, through M we have to draw a perpendicular to the line segment AB using ruler and compass only. We will do it using ruler and compass only. We are not going to use the set square in any of the questions of chapter 14, right? So let's draw the perpendicular. So one way of drawing perpendicular is to construct 90-degree angle. But students, till now we have not learned how to construct the 90-degree angle. In exercise 14.6 we will be discussing. So for till then we will construct the perpendicular like this only. And once you have learned to construct 90-degree angle, you can construct a 90-degree angle also at point M. But for now, what we are going to do here is, we will draw the full 180-degree angle right here at point M. Now from point M, at point M, we have to draw the perpendicular to AB. So what will we do? From the 2 points where the semicircle has cutted the line segment AB. These are the 2 points I have marked here, right? This is our point number 1. This is our point number 2, right? You need not to mark it point name 1 and 2. I have marked it for your convenience only. So with any random length of the compass, you have to mark an arc from point number 2 and then with the same length. This is most important. With the same length, you have to cut another arc. Okay. Just see what we have done. First of all, from point M, I have opened my compass randomly and I have drawn a semicircle. Okay. Then again, I have opened my compass randomly more than that semicircle, right? I have opened it more. But with the same length, I have drawn the 2 arcs from this point where the semicircle has cutted the line segment AB. From here point number 2 and from here point number 1 I have cutted this arc, right? Now what you need to do here, just check, this is the point where the 2 arcs cut each other, right? So what you will do, you have to join the point M with this point, and this is the perpendicular. You can check it using the protractor also, that this is at 90-degree angle and this line segment which we have drawn is at 90-degree angle to the line segment AB. So this is the way to draw a perpendicular to any line segment. Now let's discuss question number 2 of exercise 14.4. What we need to do, we have to draw any line segment PQ and we have to take any point R which is not on this line segment, right? And through point R, we have to draw a perpendicular on line segment PQ. So first of all, let's draw any line segment PQ. Let's draw any line segment PQ. Now we have to take any point R which is not on the line. So anywhere I can take above the line segment also, I can take it below the line segment also, right? So I'm going to take it below the line segment, but make sure it should be somewhere in the middle of this PQ, right? Or here, not at the corner, not just outside here. Okay, so I'm going to take it here. This is our point R. Now from this point R, I have to draw perpendicular to the line segment PQ using ruler and compass only, right? We'll use ruler and compass only. So you will put, what you need to do is you have to put the pointer of your compass at point R, and you have to open your compass just after the line segment PQ. Okay, this is just check. Your compass should not be less than, your compass should reach the line segment, it should not be below the PQ. Okay, from R your compass should be after the line segment PQ, right? It should be just after PQ. This much should be the random length of your compass, right? So after opening up your compass, what you have to do, you have to draw an arc which cut the line segment PQ at 2 points. So here just check, these are the 2 points. I am giving it name 1 and 2, students, but you need not to give. I am giving it for your convenience only. This is our point number 1. Just check, what is this point? This is the point where the arc drawn from point R has cut the line segment PQ, and this is the another point, right? So these are the 2 points where the arc cuts the line segment PQ. Now again, with the random length of the compass, from the point number 1 and point number 2, you have to draw 2 arcs which should cut each other. So here we have drawn the 2 arcs which are cutting each other. Now what we have to do is, from the point where the 2 arcs cut each other, the 2 arcs which we have drawn from point 1 and point number 2, right? With the random length only. So this is the point of intersection of the arcs. We have to join this point with this point R. So here, this is what? This is the perpendicular line segment from a point which is outside the line segment, right? So you can give it name XY. So here XY is perpendicular on PQ from point R, which was not on the line segment PQ. Thank you and have a nice day.